Guys, welcome back to another episode of K.I.A. Fishing. Right now we're about to, it's raining as you can see, we're about to start fishing here. Yeah, I'm a few fish behind, so I gotta get going.
I'll see you out on the water.
Alright guys, so I'm back up on my feet after the tumble with a bruised coccyx, but...
A bruised what?
Coccyx, it's your tailbone.
Oh. You've done that before, haven't you?
Oh yeah. Definitely not the first time.
Lovely.
And I am starting with the white jerkbait because I caved and bought one.
Alright guys, so we're gonna start off here with white chatterbait, and I got some of this tip and glow. As you can see, it's all over my damn hand already, so that's just lovely.
And I am starting with the white jerkbait. It smells rank, dude.
Yeah, it's gonna just be lovely all over my hands. So there's that going for me already, guys, in this cold rain of a day. But basically it's just like a garlic dip. Give a little chartreuse color to it.
Okay.
If I can get a cast going. God, I love my life.
We are fucking killing it.
Oh my God, the bird's nest already. All right. Give a little garlic scent, you know, along with my hands. It's just lovely. We're in the rain, but hey, it's New York. We're used to rain, snow, all horrible weather. Sleet. It's what we're born in. We're used to it. So you see we're going towards this windblown side. See if we can manage to figure our lives out here.
Yep. I'll be pissed if I bruise my coccyx off right now. So I guess then you want to see me do.
God, my hands smell like a garlic pizza. Alright, as Antoine's trying to fix our lives here, I went and threw the larger white jerkbait. So I still had one, even though these guys went to the store and got theirs without me, or bought me one. I did order some from Amazon, so I will be tying them on if this doesn't produce. And that jerkbait we've been using to just kill fish this year so far, I will put the, yeah, it's fine. I'll put the link in the description. So if you guys want to go like on Amazon and grab one, you can.
I would suggest you do.
Oh, I think I might have got something.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, boys. Hooked up.
We're on the board.
We're on the board now. Got that crankbait. They don't want that white jerkbait, they want that crankbait. Ow. Oh yeah. What do you think? Should we weigh them? Just show Krug or no?
Yeah.
Not even close. 1 pounder. Yeah, 1 pounder. Oh God, no, no, no. Stop swimming in the boat. All right, my bad, my bad. Don't be mad. All right, boys. So first fish of the day, you know, 1 pounder. Way to start off. Get it, bud. Oh yeah, love it. I absolutely love it. You know, for anyone who hasn't like ever felt like a big hit from a largemouth bass, the only way to describe it is like when your old lady gets you the green light at night, you know? That is the only way to describe it. Am I right, Twan?
You are right.
All right.
Yeah, I'm right.
And for my lady anglers out there, so you get the concept as well. The only way to describe it for you guys is when your man gives you like the debit card or gives you that green light to go buy whatever you want. You know, that's the only way to describe it. You know, it's exciting. Your adrenaline's going, yeah, he's gonna let me buy a new kitchen set or let me buy a new car. You know, that's the only way to describe it when a big old largie smacks your bait.
Oh, thank you.
Dude, what in tarnation? What in tarnation's going on? You know, just put nothing wrong with a little pond water in your mouth. We're gonna eventually do a challenge where the loser has to drink pond water. Comment below if you want to see that. We'll do a challenge, you know. Whoever catches the most bass, or whoever catches the least amount of bass, you know, has to drink a little bit of pond water.
I almost wonder if I should switch over to a lipless crankbait.
I think because it's kind of cold, so you want to kind of get down there. So it wouldn't hurt. Put one on. So when you're fishing that square bill, you know, you can feel the vibration of it. Same thing with a lot of moving baits. They'll have a vibration to it. Once you feel that stop, or that you'll sometimes feel a thud, that's when you know you either got one on or you're stuck in the weeds. And just pray you got one on. Alright, let's go back to the Old Faithful, you know, the white jerkbait. Fresh out the packaging. Hasn't touched water yet. Or no, did I? No, I haven't touched water yet with this. Man, that grass feels warm. Water isn't too bad. There we go, boys. Ah! That's why you bring a net or have your partner help, but my partner is tying up. So there's that, you know. Hey, at least hooked up. I know Kruger's gonna say that didn't count, you know, but I'm gonna tell him it did. You know, it was a pretty decent sized bass. And yeah, you know, it's just, I don't know with my life right now. God, shit. Oh, you see that one?
Yeah.
What do you think, that was bigger than the last one?
The last one today?
Yeah.
Oh, for sure.
Oh my God. Like, luckily it wasn't like a 4-pounder or something. Then I would, you know, be really, really upset. You know, it was probably like a 2 maybe. 2 maybe. If that. Yeah, it was probably a 2. The way it bent the rod, you know. But
Your partner was sleeping.
it's okay. It's my fault. I should have said something. Or I should have grabbed the net. Next time, remind me to bring a net. The only thing is with a net though, like, I swear to God, every time I bring a net, I don't catch a fish that's worthy of getting a net. So, figured it out. Oh, I can't even talk right now. I hate losing fish. Losing a bass, like I said, how it was when you get a bass. Losing a bass like is when you get shut down, like after you already started. That's what that feels like. And for my lady anglers, you know, it's like when you go to the store to buy something you really want and that card gets declined. That's summing it up right there. You know, if you agree, hit that like button. If you agree with me, smash that like button, guys. Comment below. Tell me how much of an idiot I am for losing that one, trying to boat flip it. Yeah.
Tell me how much of an idiot I am for not helping my partner.
You know,
I feel pretty shitty about it.
I can't put that on you, Twan. I can't put that one on you.
Or tell me how much I'm an idiot for setting my pole in water. Either way. Oh yeah, baby. There we go.
Choked it. Woo!
Fuck yeah, dude. Sorry. Sorry for our viewers.
Hey, let me let some light out for you so you can... That's a chub too. Good job, bud. Yeah. Yeah, bud.
On the board.
Better?
Yeah.
All right.
White jerkbait.
Yeah, white jerkbait.
White jerkbait. First fish I caught with the Defender rod, so I'm pretty excited about that.
There you go. First fish on the white jerkbait.
My favorite.
All right, guys, so that's it. We got to get going. It was a tough day. It was cold, it was raining, but hey, that's New York. Should be warming up pretty soon, and then once it starts warming up, we hit May. Ooh, they start spawning and the tour begins. We'll be hitting everywhere that I can think of to get them spawning bass. So until next time, we'll see you guys out there. Don't forget to
like and subscribe.
like, subscribe, hit that bell notification.
Don't
guys.
worry, my coccyx feels much better now.
His tailbone. You guys don't, I know this sounds horrible, but it's his tailbone. So get out there, guys, and set that hook.